guys, it's Hannah Jo and I'm struggling to see you because my fringe is falling forward. So today I'm going to be talking about the latest, no, I can't say it like that, oh my god. Today I'm going to be talking about the most recent latest in beauty box, which is the Fabulous Beauty Awards 2019 box. This box is the first box I've purchased by Latest in Beauty. I have always looked at their boxes and always wondered like, oh, is it worth getting? But this one honey, I remember when I got the email of this and I was like, oh my god, this is coming on the Sunday, I need to get it as soon as it goes live. I was at work trying to order it, couldn't get through, oh, I was having a breakdown. Finally got it. Finally got it though, didn't I? Whoop whoop. This box was £25 and it has a value of over £100. So shall we see what's inside? Right, so it comes in this little sleeve, so I'm just gonna pop it open. And inside it comes with a little information booklet just about all the products that you get inside. But I'm going to go through each product with you just quickly just to show you exactly what's inside. So it comes in a really cute black box. Obviously you can keep these boxes and store stuff in them. They're hard cardboard, really good. So inside I'm just going to pull out whatever's on top. We have got the CARMEX original. Now this retails for £2.69, so off to a flying start. So this is obviously just for your lips. I've tried this a million times. I've had the tub, I've had the tubes, I've had the cherry flavour, I've had them all. I love them. Boom, that goes in my handbag. Next up we have the Sanctuary Spa Wet Skin Moisture Miracle. This retails for this size it would work out to be £2. This is 50 mils. Oh, I forgot to say that the first one is full size obviously. This one is not full size, it's a quarter of the normal size, so this would retail for £2 for this size. But it is quite a generous size I feel, and this you basically put on after you've had a shower and it's meant to make your skin feel really moisturised, lock in all that moisture. And my sister actually said that she has tried this before and she really loved it, so I'm looking forward to trying that. Next up we have the PALMER'S Cocoa Butter. This is the original cocoa butter for the body, and obviously this is just moisturiser, and this is just a really handy size to either travel with or pop in your handbag so you've got it on the go, and that retails for 80p for this size, so not an extravagance, but you know. Next up we have the Sally Hansen. This is the Miracle Gel Nail Varnish. This is in the shade 680 Rhapsody Red, and this nail varnish looks amazing. Now I thought this was going to be like one of those ones that you need the UV light for, but apparently not. You don't need the UV light for this. It's meant to be a gel finish without any of the lights or anything, so that is really good. I'm really looking forward to trying this because I always hate when nail varnishes go that dull kind of matte after you've put them on. I want it to look shiny. And this retails for $9.99. Next up we have Soap and Glory. This is their Righteous Body Butter. Everybody knows about this body butter. Everybody always raves about it. Everybody loves it. And this size would retail for £3 for 50 mils. And the smell of this is just like, Next up we have a cute item that I was interested in trying, and this is the Tangle Teezer Wet Detangler. This is again full size, and it retails for £11. I'm going to take it out of the packaging so you can see because it's kind of like reflecting, and it is lightweight. It is a little hairbrush, and obviously this is meant to be designed for wet hair so it doesn't pull at your hair or cause any breaking, and it's just meant to be like more gentle on the hair than obviously if you used a normal I was going to say toothbrush. No one's brushing their hair with a toothbrush, so. Next up we have the Simple Biodegradable Cleansing Wipes. Now I didn't actually know that Simple did biodegradable cleansing wipes, and these retail for £4.39. This is again full size. You get 20 wipes in here. But I'm really interested in trying these because it says it removes waterproof mascara, and sometimes with wipes I find like they just keep rubbing your eye and it just gets more and more sore where it doesn't take off the mascara, so I'm really interested to try these. Next up we have a mini of the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water, and this cleansing water I have tried before and I really like. This size would retail for £1.20, And this is really handy for traveling. It's only 50 mils. You could pop it in your handbag in case you need it on the go. So yeah, really handy little size. I know I really love this product, so whoop whoop. A product that I had not heard of before, and this I have actually tried once when I first got the box, because I've only just got the box and I was just intrigued to try it. And this is the ASOS Brow Primer. Now this is really cute. It's like a see-through kind of white liquid inside. You open the top like this. It's really nice packaging. It's got like a little eye on it, and you pump it up and it's got like these little soft kind of bristles. I don't really know if you can see them, but you're meant to pop this on your eyebrows before you do your eyebrows, and I think also afterwards, just to set them in place. It's basically like an eye gel, but also a conditioner as well. So this is actually really nice. I've only tried it once, so obviously I can't say if it does condition your eyebrows, but I really like it. Next up, a product that I have again tried before, and this is a mini, and this is the Batiste Original Dry Shampoo. This size would retail for £1.50, and this is just the original one. Again, it's dry shampoo. We all know and love dry shampoo. Handy to keep in your handbag, especially for me now that I've cut in a fringe. I can just pop some in there just in case it just decides to go a bit wild. And again, another product I've tried, Vaseline Rosy Lips. I'm not over keen on the rosy lips. I find that I just don't like the taste of it. Like, I find it a bit like soapy tasting, but my mum loves this, so she'll be having this. This is full size and this retails for £1.29. Now, two major products in this box. There's a reason why I bought this box. These three products combined come to, what is it, 40, 50 something pounds. So first things first is this adorable Nars Orgasm blush. Okay, it's not full size, but let me explain. The full size Nars Orgasm blush is 4.8 grams. Okay, and you think, yeah, okay, that's like what would be like quite a big size, I guess, and that's £25. Now when I saw this I thought, oh, it's so tiny, it's nowhere near, it must be half the size. No, it's 3.5 grams. So it's only 1.3 grams less than full size. So that makes this, oh God, no. That makes this £18.23 value. Okay, and let me just show you the most adorable thing you'll ever see. Look at it. Look at it. Why is it so cute? When you open it, ah! I mean, it's super tiny. I've tried this blush yesterday and I am in love already, like literally in love. It is beautiful. Everything that everybody says about this blush is 100% true. It has a slight gold shimmer in it, and I think that's what makes it so beautiful. Like when you sweep it on, it just has the nicest. I'm going to put some on now. I've already got blush on, but I don't know if you'll be able to see the difference, but you see the difference? Maybe not, but it's just so beautiful. Yeah, you can see the difference. Pretty. And finally, but not by any means least, we have the Anastasia Dipbrow Pomade in medium brown. But we haven't just got that. We've also got the Anastasia Brush 12, the spoolie and the little angled liner brush. The brow pomade on its own is £19 and the brush on its own is £18. So this box has a value of £100 and actually 9p. By my calculations, but the box was only £25. That's insane. So I have tried this brow pomade and it is what I have done my brows with today. If you do want to see a video on what this makeup look is, it is a review, then I will be posting that video later on this week, so keep your eyes peeled for that. But yeah, this is full size, this Dipbrow pomade. I have tried it 2 times and I am in love with it. Like, where has this product been all my life? Why was I resisting buying this product? And the spoolie is amazing. I've got multiple spoolies, but for some reason this spoolie is really good. And the angled liner brush, I've been using different angled liner brushes, and let me tell you, they're not as slim or as stiff as this brush. This brush can draw the finest little lines. I was like, and this comes with this little plastic thing. You just pop it off, keeps it protected. Boom. Beautiful. So I was so impressed with this box when it came that I am now a fully fledged subscriber of Latest in Beauty. I have signed up to their Beauty Guru one, I think it is, which is the highest one you can get. which is £18 a month, and you get to pick 9 products. I'm waiting on my box. It should be here tomorrow because I've already placed my order. So when it comes, I'm going to be doing a monthly video, I think, of my picks of the month, because obviously you can pick your 9 products. And this is just one of the one-off, like, curated boxes. So they do multiple boxes a year, which are packed already. Like, you don't get to pick those items, whereas the ones every month you can pick 9 items, and they have new products continuously added. And I'm really excited for this box that I've done this month, and it's my first one, so I'm going to be doing a special unboxing for that. But I just wanted to give a little shout out, and this is what came with the box. And I just want to say there's a code on here. I'll put it in the description box down below. And it is LIB5OFF BYOB. And you can get £5 off your first Beauty Enthusiast box. That's the one where you can pick 6 products. And so that makes it only £10. And you can cancel anytime you like. You can do one-off boxes if you prefer, or you can do a monthly subscription. But that code gives you £5 off that box, and then it's only £10 for 6 products. So if you do want to use that, I don't make any commission on it or anything, this just literally comes in the box anyway. Then I'll put that down below and you can use that and get £5 off. So that is it for my little unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you got any boxes, let me know. The next one's going to be really exciting because obviously I picked the different products, so it'll be fun to see what products I picked. You guys can let me know what products you picked. Did you guys pick up this box? Did you manage to get it? I know that it sold out pretty quick. I don't know if it's back in stock now, but I'll leave the link down below for the website so you can check it out. And I think that's it. And I don't know, I just feel like I spoke really fast and just wore myself out. Okay, till next time, love you, bye.